Hi everybody, it's Julie. I'm here with the At the Beach Pages part of the physical kit. You know that there will be a tassel kit. There will be a tassel, well that's the tassel and trim kit. There will be a cover kit. There will be a findings kit along with this, and a tag and sticker kit, just like I did on all the Christmas. But this is the papers, and we'll just go through them really quickly. So you get several different note papers. You'll see there's a couple of themes happening here. One that's kind of this look, and then with the blues and the aqua colors and the mint, and then there's some fun papers in here. So this reminded me of going out on the pier. So there's an envelope of that. Some more note papers. You get two of these cute Adirondack chair note papers, a summer paper. Love this paper. I loved it so much I gave you two. And it actually goes with one of the postcards. He's wearing a hat. He's wearing a white suit and a hat, and it just so cool. The seahorse. This reminded me of beach balls. It's origami paper. These postcards, and on the other side they're decorated. Get some stickers, and then these cute ones with the little seahorse on them, and that envelope. Some vintage boat cards. This is a bingo card, and or an achievement card or something, but with the fish on it. You get a couple of the tags cut out with my Cricut. One is two-sided. You could write on that. Really, that would be really cool to write on. You get several of the hearts that are cut out of with my Cricut. You get a panel card and an envelope. Some more note papers. This one with the lighthouse. This is a name card, a name place card. Things to do. There are only 8 of these kits, and I will not be able to reproduce this, okay? Hello, my name is. A flashcard. You get several of these, and then you get one of the lighthouse. You get this tag. You get a large flip-flop card. Yours might be different, and a small flip-flop card. You get this tag. There's a couple more of the little girls at the beach. This, another one of the seahorse. This one doesn't have any advertising on the back. You get the bingo card, a guest check, some note papers, the blue time card, a blue envelope. These are index cards. I mean, you can see there's just so many things. A big gigantic white envelope. You get this white, and it's got the pearl essence around the outside. I think it's really pretty. A time card, a receipt, some vintage. I think this is from the Game of Life. I'm not sure, but I do know that it was from the 80s. So there's that. There's this. You get these. These are from the Dollar Tree, and I will be doing one of my Dollar Tree in digital. We'll be using those. We've got this envelope, some children's art paper, some steno paper, beautiful blue acetate piece, some of my noisy paper, a couple of these, this really cool paper with the Adirondack chair, doily. This, you get this whole napkin, so 4 of those images, this beautiful, awesome napkin, so you have all those shell images that you can use throughout. This is a half of a napkin. I didn't have enough to put a full one in each kit, so you still get all those images, and like I said, you'll have some things to make your book fun. You get at least one of these amazing pages out of this book. So everybody gets one about some kind of shell and the creature that lives inside the shell. And then you get some sandpaper. We're going to do some fun stuff with the sandpaper. an invoice. This is from the mouse pad, graph paper, this one. Everyone gets an atlas page that has some coastal shoreline on it. You get this page here, or something. You'll either get a ledger or a lined paper. It's cardstock. It's really cool. Everyone gets one of the coloring pages. They'll all be different, but they're from the ocean coloring book that I got. And you get a certificate page in blue. You get 2 of these postcards. They're attached together. This shell napkin. So you get 6 of this image, which is awesome. You get this little little napkin, so you get 4 of that image to be able to use. And then you'll have 6 of this image to use throughout. Another one of the little girls at the beach. A couple of pages that are dolphins, a turtle, some seaweed up there, and some whales or sharks. There's a shark and some whales. All kinds of stuff. This is just really fun paper. You get 2 pieces of cardstock, and you could use these pieces to use the template that's in the Scrap All About It with Dearjuliejulie. The template is in the files, and it's 9 embellishments out of an 8.5 by 11 paper. You get a couple more index cards. This really cool copy paper. This really cool old paper, and then this piece of scrapbook paper as well. I thought this might be kind of fun to cut it and do the folding and then make like an umbrella out of it. But in this kit you also will receive a couple of cocktail umbrellas to use. We'll be using those. Like I said, you get the tassel kit. It is amazing. It has this piece of lace in it, and these are going to fall if I do it. But you also receive the digital kits. So you're going to get both digital kits with this kit. They'll come by email. And so this one is the At the Beach digital kit, and you'll see it's postcards. And these are from a field guide, a bird field guide, and this is handwritten, antique handwritten music paper. So that is the beach kit. Look at these adorable trade cards, and this is in their actual size and how they are. And then the second digital kit that you get is the Pages kit, and I've taken those trade cards and I've blown them up to be postcard size. The images, they got a little bit pixelated, but they're still really very, very cool. But I did this so that in this one, you're able to print this at wallet size, and these become the right size to make the little paper clips, like the little ticket flat paper clips. So here are the pages. You're going to get the little ship with the shells. You're going to get several collage pages. You'll notice the lobster is in different places on the collage pages. You get this seashore poem, and again, this looks really cool on the wallet size. So we have these collage images muted out, but also the bright ones so that they could be tags or journaling cards if you printed them small. There's the poem again with the shells around it. This is the back of the cigarette card. We have these beautiful shell pages, and your music is Waves of the Ocean Gallop. You also get this page. It is the inside of my music book, my antique music book. And then you get, here's all of these, well, not all of them. Here's 9 of the pages printed at wallet size. So I picked out 9 pages and printed them at wallet size. So you can see those little trade cards become just the right size for making the paperclip, like ticket type embellishments. So you also receive 7 pages of quotes and poems and beachy sayings. that I have been collecting in a file for a long, Pippi Longstocking. I am the sea and nobody owns me. Pippi Longstocking. Pippi Longstocking, the movie just had its anniversary, 30 or 40 years. So there you go. There's all kinds. So 7 pages, like I said, that I've been collecting. I got to put this back with the tassel kit. So you'll receive both of those digital kits. They'll come by email to you. And so this kit is available on Friday, 8/10/18, 8/10, so August 10th, 2018, 2 o'clock Pacific time. And I hope you enjoy this. And just know that this is just the paper part of this kit. There is also, well, of course, the digitals. And then there is the tassel and trim kit, the finding kit, the cover kit, and the tags and stickers, all coming with this. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this, and it'll be available at 2 o'clock in my Etsy shop, Dear Julie Julie. Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe. We're on our way to go camping. Have a great day. Bye.